Hi family, and welcome back to my channel. So while I was on my Pinterest account, I found this cute little like farmhousey centerpiece, and I thought maybe I can make this using things I found at the Dollar Tree. So some of the items that we're going to be using are these cute little clay pots. We have a plunger and a lot of canvases. So we're gonna turn this into this. So I'm gonna start painting all of these little clay pots that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna paint them white, similar to these. So some of the paint I'm using, just some white paint that I have in my craft closet, which I actually think some of the paint's from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using my favorite Martha Stewart paint sponges. I have been obsessed with these clay pots at the Dollar Tree. As I'm painting these, I'm just dabbing some of the paint on, not to be confused with the dab that my daughter does. But I still wanted to have this chalky white feel to it. So the plunger is going to be the next step in this project. Just like our ladder picture DIY, we only need this piece and we don't need this one. What we're gonna do with this is I'm gonna actually wrap this one all in rope, and we're gonna see what that looks like. So you can see it is all covered in rope and ready to go onto our project. So I picked up a bunch of canvases from the Dollar Tree, and what we're gonna do is we are going to open them all up and we are going to have them all become the wood pieces. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna remove the staples in the back using a flathead and some needle nose pliers. Taking some of these out, definitely put a little elbow grease into it. So once we've removed all of the staples, we're just gonna take the canvas off. And this is the wood frame that we wanna use to build our centerpiece. We just have to take it apart now. Here's all the wood that we cut. I was going to use a saw like this, and I'll put that affiliate link in the description below, but my other half offered to cut the wood for me. So let's get gluing. I'm going to use a mixture of E6000 and hot glue because I want it to dry quickly. Growing up can be so hard. It's gonna be alright tonight. We're gonna kill it today. Get lost in the music. Get lost in the neon lights. Pick up your gun and fire away. Get lost in the music. Get lost in the neon lights. A little bit old, aching hearts with the rain clouds still waiting at us. The sky of the gray, drinking the sun. Here's the base, all glued together. Now we're gonna build the side pieces. So I'm gonna glue all of the side pieces individually and then build it all together to glue onto the base. I definitely suggest marking which pieces goes to which piece because it's like a puzzle.
Now that our sides are built, we're gonna glue them onto our base. The last touches that we have to do on our box is our little side pieces and then the pieces that are gonna stand up like this. So I'm gonna glue these together real quick using the same technique I've been using.
Watch me, just follow every move, touch me, let me know you want it too, don't know what you need.
I am going to spray paint our box. Now, I went with spray painting because the wood doesn't take to stain very well, but I also wanted to let you guys know I'm gonna go with a pop of color. Usually I'm going with that whitish kind of farmhousey look, but I'm really looking for this pop of color in my house, so I'm going with this deep blue. Let's get spraying. So I have decided to add a little bit of texture to this using my favorite little paint sponges. Now that our little makeshift box is dry, we're gonna glue on the fake little handle that's gonna go right here. Now while that's drying, making sure it has a good hold, we're gonna work on the pots. I don't wanna glue the flowers in because if I wanna change them out, 2 different flowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little flower box DIY. I actually found inspiration for this on Pinterest, so if you are looking for more inspiration, you can go check out my Pinterest account. But I am looking to see if anybody else tries this idea, and if you do try to build a flower box, then why don't you tag me on Instagram? I'll link my Pinterest account and my Instagram account in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye!